Smallpox. Introduction. Smallpox is still widespread in developing countries. Select true or false. Correct. The last case of smallpox in the United States was in 1949. The last naturally occurring case in the world was in Somalia in 1977. Smallpox is considered highly contagious. Select true or false. Correct. Smallpox is classified as a Category A agent by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Category A agents are believed to pose the greatest potential threat for adverse public health impact and have a moderate to high potential for large-scale dissemination. People can get smallpox from the vaccine. Select true or false. Correct. The vaccinia virus is the live virus used in the smallpox vaccine. It is a pox-type virus related to smallpox. When given to humans as a vaccine, it helps the body to develop immunity to smallpox. The virus in the smallpox vaccine is live. Select true or false. Correct. The virus in the smallpox vaccine is live. John is a nurse and has volunteered to be in the smallpox healthcare response team. His roommate, Mark, has chickenpox. John is scheduled to take the smallpox vaccine. Should John take it? Select yes or no. Correct. People who live with others that have contagious skin diseases such as chickenpox, herpes, and shingles should not get vaccinated. John and his roommate Mark should not take the vaccine. Linda is in the smallpox healthcare response team and she is scheduled to take the smallpox vaccine today. She has been planning on becoming pregnant. In 1 week, she will be able to have a pregnancy test to determine if she is pregnant. Should Linda take the smallpox vaccine? Select yes or no. Correct. Pregnant women should not get the smallpox vaccine because of risk of fetal infection. If a woman plans to become pregnant within 1 month of vaccination, she should not take the vaccine. If the vaccine virus spreads to other parts of the body or to other persons, it will cause smallpox. Select true or false. Correct. The vaccine does not cause smallpox. It may cause vaccinia rash. A vaccinia rash is an outbreak of sores caused by an accidental spreading of the vaccinia virus, caused by touching the vaccination site and then touching another part of the body or another person. The vaccinated person is immune to vaccinia rash and can only spread it to other people who touch the vaccination site. Select true or false. Correct. The vaccinia rash can spread to other parts of the body of the vaccinated person. Vaccinia rash usually occurs on the genitals or face, including the eyes, where it can damage sight or lead to blindness. Thank you for using Explain.